Located underground is a complex network of pipes and wires for critical services such as electricity, natural gas, communications, water, sewage, and other utilities. Unsafe digging can damage buried equipment. If you plan to dig anywhere, from large construction jobs to home projects, smart digging means calling Dig Safely New York at 811 before each job. It's the first step in helping you to dig safely and avoid damaging critical utilities. Avoid serious consequences. Striking an underground utility line while digging can cause harm to you or those around you. It can also disrupt service to entire neighborhoods and potentially result in fines and repair costs defined in New York's strict facility protection law. Nationwide, 1 out of every 3 damages to underground utilities is the result of an excavator not calling 811 first. Never assume you know what is below. Make the call. 1 free, simple phone call to Dig Safely New York at 811 will notify all appropriate utility companies of your intent to dig. Provide advance notice. Contact 811 at least 2, but not more than 10 business days prior to digging to ensure enough time for utility lines to be properly marked. When you call 811, a representative from Dig Safely will ask for the location and a description of your digging project. You will be given a ticket number for your request. Allow utilities to mark underground lines. Dig Safely will notify Corning and other affected utilities that will then send professional locators to the proposed dig site to mark the approximate location of any underground lines. Respect the markings. Preserve the paint and flags until no longer needed for safe excavation. It is recommended that you remove them to the best of your ability once your excavation work is complete. Understand the location marks. Each type of buried utility has its own color code. Marks may be painted or located with flags using the following colors. Red for electric cables, conduit, lighting cables. Yellow for natural gas, oil, steam, petroleum. Orange for communication, phone, cable, fiber optic. Blue for water, green for sewer, purple for reclaimed water, white for proposed excavation, and pink for temporary survey markers. Dig carefully. Once lines have been properly marked, carefully hand dig with a shovel around the marked areas. Better yet, consider designing your project to avoid digging anywhere close to the underground facilities. Never use mechanized equipment within 24 inches of marks or exposed underground pipes or wires. Remember that utility marks will not indicate depth, and settling ground, erosion, and other factors can cause the depth or exact location of underground pipes and wires to change over time. If you hit or damage an underground or above-ground natural gas facility, contact Leatherstocking immediately at 1-800-834-2134. We will respond to inspect and repair, if required, the damaged facility. For more information, check out digsafelyNewYork.com.